Welcome to Webstar Plus. OpenAI is continually improving ChatGPT in significant ways. One of their recent videos revealed numerous upcoming features for ChatGPT. I have actually created a separate video on this topic. The link is in the description. This video focuses on how to send feedback to OpenAI, how to inform OpenAI about concerns regarding specific responses from ChatGPT, how to vote for specific responses from ChatGPT. When generating responses in ChatGPT, you will notice thumbs icon in front of each response, thumbs up and thumbs down. What do these icons represent? A thumb up is a positive vote for a specific response, while a thumbs down is a negative rating for a response. OpenAI monitors these votes to improve ChatGPT. If you like response or agree with it, you can click the thumb up icon. If you dislike response or disagree with it, you can click the thumbs down icon. This information will be sent to OpenAI to improve ChatGPT. However, it's not reversible. Once you click on any icon, it will be selected and you won't be able to reverse it. Upon clicking the thumbs down icon, you will see a pop-up presenting various options like this is unsafe, this isn't true, this isn't helpful. You can select one of these, add your feedback and click Submit Feedback. Then it will offer you to pick the best answer to improve the model, and then conversation will continue with the answer that you choose. This was the question, this was the original answer provided by ChatGPT, and it's suggesting a new answer now. You can suggest that new answer is better, original answer is better, neither answer is better, or skip this step. And now you see we have got only thumb down here. We cannot reverse this step. Feedback has been sent. Upon clicking the thumb up icon, you will see a pop-up like this. Here you can provide additional feedback. You can type your feedback and hit Submit Feedback button. And now we have got only thumb up icon here. Feedback has been sent. It's not necessary to vote on every response, but you can cast your votes on responses generated by ChatGPT. So this is why thumb up and thumb down icons are here in ChatGPT. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.